Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones JBL Tune 510. Firstly, we should turn off these headphones. So at the bottom of the right ear cup we have power button. You should press and hold this power button and we just turn off it. But then we need to press and hold this power button again to enter pairing mode. So press and hold power button and wait until this LED light flashed blue. And here we go. After that, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button, what have a plus icon, and volume down button. And you need to see white LED light here. Here we go. And now we just reset it. So firstly we need to remove it, go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and right here click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, and we just tap on it at the device list, and that's it. So we need to see connection. Yeah, we have it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!